Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1964 Smith Corona Classic 10 vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. So this is a Classic 10 because it has a 10-inch carriage versus the Classic 12. So it's just more compact on the carriage. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the paper. And this is your right margin. I'm going to set that on 75, and this left one I'm going to keep that on 0. There's a scale up here to show you exactly what space you're on, and this is the paper support arm that flips out from the back. This is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got 2 adjustable rollers. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the slide space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip that switch back. It skips 2. One more, it skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep that on single and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line and switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. You flip that all the way down. It prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. When you have it in the middle, it doesn't print any ink at all. It just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. And when you put it up top, it prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is black. So we're moving that down for red. Beautiful typing machine. This is a really nice machine, well designed and manufactured, very reliable. Print looks really good and fun and easy to use. It's got the nice color. Color is Star Mist Blue. Kind of just looks like an ice cream cone or something. It's really just appealing to just have it on your desk. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. Shift on each side and the shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. We're going to put this down for now and put the color back up for black print. Shift, I think I just did that. Backspace works good. Tab on the right side of the keyboard. Right now we have one set right there. We're going to clear that by hitting the CL button. So if you want to set, so now we shouldn't have any. Oops. We had 2. So now that's clear. We're going to set one again in the middle so that way when you hit that tab button, it doesn't slam all the way to the end, causing wear and tear on your typewriter. You can set as many tabs as you want on this model. Backspace on the top left, margin release below the tab there. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. You hit that MR button, it will allow you to go all the way to the end. That works good. Open the hood, all the brand new ribbons loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. If you want to switch that direction, you just flip this switch above the backspace here, up, and it'll pull counterclockwise to the left. You flip it down, it pulls clockwise to the right. And this is your touch control. The farther left you go, the more tension there is when you hit the keys. You do have to hit them a little harder for them to print, but they respond faster. And if you move it to the right, less tension, you don't have to hit the keys as hard for them to print. On the right side of the carriage, behind the knob is the carriage release, very smooth. And I like the metal carriage release. In the newer models, they make them plastic and they break off all the time. So if they don't make them anymore, if you need a replacement, check out my shop. If you have one of the newer models, and I 3D print these, so very nice quality. This is your left one. You don't need it for this one though. This is your left one. Very smooth. If you pull out this lever at the end of the knob here, it disables the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You push it in, you get the clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. The same concept with the lever on the inside here. You flip that down, it disables the spacing. Flip it up and you get the clicks. And on the inside of the platen is the page gauge. You have a set and an end. You want to set it below the 11 right there, and then that's going to be your end as well. But it's going to warn you on the left side when you're getting close to the end of the page. It's 2 inches, 1.5, 1, and then that's the end right there. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.